YouTube, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. We're going on a Lugia hunt again. I got 13 packs from a little comic shop down the road from my house. So, probably overpaid a little bit, but I can't find them anywhere other than online. So, we're going to test our luck. Let's see if we can hit that Lugia once and for all. Always forget the pack trick. I think it's 4. So we'll go with 4. Play all. Did I get it right the first time? See something. Reggie Lecky, if that's how you say it. I don't have that one yet. That's cool. Yeah, I can't find Pokemon anywhere, so the fact that I found it at the card shop or the comic shop, had to grab it. What's up, buddy? We're trying to get that Lugia. Think we're gonna get it?
Maybe.
Oh, a little reverse Dragonite. That's cool. Yep.
How much packs do you have?
13 altogether. Let me put this box over here so I can put the packs in as I go. If anybody wants the code cards, let me know. I do not use them. And for the most part, I save them. I love that Pikachu. Nothing there. Oliver opened a single pack of, what did you open?
What is it? They'll go with the future and past.
I don't remember.
I forget what it's called, but it's Paradox Rift.
Paradox Rift. He didn't get anything, but. Oh, we got a
rainbow!
Rainbow Trainer.
Even if you didn't get the Lugia, you got something good.
Yeah, I got the other Rainbow Trainer last time I opened, so.
You did?
Yeah, I think this might be the other one.
Can I trade for that? I have 2.
I'm gonna do the whole set, bud.
No.
So we hit something.
I wanted to because I have 2 rainbows of trainers and I'm trying to put.
Yeah.
So I don't have a 4. I'll trade for those 2.
You have better cards than me, bud.
I don't think so.
I do. Gold bat. Oh!
You got 2 of those now.
Blaziken VMAX again. That's awesome.
That's like $25.
Cool. I love the artwork on this. So we're not doing horrible.
Oh, that's a cool Zygarde.
Yeah, it is. You can have that one if you want it. I have a bunch of those.
Thank you.
2, 3, 4.
Looks like Raichu, but smaller version.
Yeah, it is.
Tiny
I always
Raichu.
thought that too.
Umungus, like Among Us.
Yeah. Let me fix my pile over here before I knock it over.
It's so weird. Umungus.
Lugia artwork.
50.
See if we can pull something on there.
Is the Lugia you're trying to find rainbow?
No, there is a rainbow one, I think, though, in the set.
What's the one you're trying to find?
It's the, oh, my whole phone stand fell down there. Did I go through this pack already? I don't know. I don't think so. How many we got left? 6 left. There's still a chance.
Is it like the alternate art?
Yeah. Illustration art, I think it is called.
Is it gold?
No.
Is it any like special like?
It's like the Blaziken, I think.
VMAX?
Or maybe more rare than that. I don't know.
Oh, Lance. Is it like shiny?
Yes.
Very shiny?
I'll show you after, bud.
So you'll know when you
It's
get
the one where like the guy's on the boat and Lugia's in the air.
I don't remember that.
You haven't seen that one?
No. Ooh, the V-Star thing. Yeah, did anyone respond to you? About
No,
the
nobody
V-Star
told me
thing?
what those are yet. Still not sure. Maybe something to do with the actual game that you play.
Yeah. Maybe it lets you take out. Oh, yeah, see something. Oh, that's sick.
That's cool.
Maybe it lets you take out a V-Star, like,
Maybe.
to play.
Yeah, if anyone knows what those V-Star cards are, let us know in the comments.
Also the items. V-Star items.
Yeah. Come on, Lugia. We'll pull him someday. I think there's a nice Rayquaza in this set too. I've never pulled that.
Oh, that's cool.
Crocodile.
Is that like for highest highest evolve?
Yeah.
Evolution? I mean,
Yep. Let's see. We got the 200 subs. We're gonna do another giveaway around 500. So, or 4 or 500. We'll do something a little bigger. I haven't announced the winners yet as I'm recording this, but they'll be announced by the time this is posted.
more packs.
So congrats to whoever hits that.
Another V-Star card.
Yep. Come on, Lugia. Another crocodile. All right, 1 pack left. 1 pack left.
Oh, God. I'm scared.
Oh no, white code card. That's not a good sign.
You always get white code cards last
I know.
for some reason.
I know. Struck out again, but we did get a nice rainbow. We got another Blaziken VMAX and the Braxton, if that's how you say it. Braxton, and a Brandon. So we'll take it.
It's kind of like the same name.
Yep, I'll have to pick up some more packs again. We'll hit it one day. I'm not giving up hope. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Collect what you like, and we'll see you on the next one.